Finally has the deck arrived that you can use at work and that you can use with your mom, with your dad, with your nana, with your grandpa. If you are looking for something that you can actually use during your day when you're sitting probably like this, you know, that's how we all sit now. And or that you want to use to like mix up your yoga practice, get into some of those alignments. Maybe there are a couple of inversions that are just too scary for you to go at, you know, the normal way. Now we have the answer for all of the above mentioned. Stay tuned to learn more.